If you think that strength coaching can be reduced to an algorithm, you are a moron. You're a fool. You're a fool. Anyone that tries to do that is a fool. All right? And does not understand the role of the person they're dealing with on the platform. All right? Now, if you're strictly online coaching and you don't actually coach anyway, all you do is video review, we can probably come up with a program to replace you, and that'd be good. That'd be good. If that's all you do with your profession, then you need to be replaced by a program. You need to be replaced by an algorithm. Absolutely. Because you're not really a coach anyway. But for people that actually coach on the platform, that interact personally with their clients, you can't substitute a device for that personal interaction. It can't be done, and it'll never be done, and you have to think beyond the feedback. I can tell you with 95% certainty how to fix every squat problem there is. Every single squat problem I've seen 1,000 times. So with 5 or 6 different corrections that I can make, I can fix 95% of squat problems. But that's not why people hire me to coach them. All right? There's more to it than that. So think in those terms. I think your career as an SSC is pretty thoroughly protected. All you got to do is pass the SSC.
All you got to do is be a person that people want to
people want to pay money to stand around and train with.
Because you can't be an SSC and be a weirdo and expect to have a bunch of clients.
No,
you still got to be the people thing is the primary deal, especially as you get tools like that, because this is going to happen. There's no reason that a device, a mirror, a phone can't coach a squat. Maybe in the next 5-10 years, there's no reason. You just set up your phone, put a video on, and it tells you exactly what to do. Maybe it yells little cues in your
you
ear.
Put 3 angles, and the AI collates the 3 angles and can shit back the corrections you need to do.
It will do a better job than a human coach in terms
than
of
a bad human coach. Certainly.
No, I think it'll do a better job than the best human coach on the technical aspect of it, but you don't have the human interaction, which is the reason.
That's not why you pay.
Which is the reason that people pay a coach. Every spin class is still going to be full, even though Peloton can sell you a bike with a little screen on it with a little motivator person yelling at you.
Right.
Every spin class is still going to be full because you go there because there's other people.
Well, and don't forget the number one thing we hear from personal training clients. What does the coach provide? Accountability.
Exactly.
He has got a slot that I have paid for, open for me, and I've got to be there at 4:00.
Yep. Just turns out that the way we do it actually fucking works,
Yeah.